We know planning a Disneyland Paris vacation can be very stressful, but what if I told you that here at Magical Vacation Guide we have boiled down everything you need to know about Disneyland Paris in just 15 minutes? Don't believe me? Stick around and maybe we'll surprise you. Hi, my name is Marike and I'm from Magical Vacation Guide. We know Disneyland Paris planning can be a quite undertaking, but congratulations! You clicked on the right video where we tell you everything in a short amount of time. So let's dive right in and we'll start at square one. We're gonna make it really easy for you, but you probably already did know this. Disneyland Paris contains of two different theme parks. The first one is Disneyland Park, where all your favorite stories come to life. The second one is Walt Disney Studios, where all your favorite stories have been created. Then you also have Disney Village, which is a free shopping area where you can enjoy restaurants and shopping and live music occasionally, especially at night. Here you can dine outside of the parks. For the two parks, for Disneyland Park and Walt Disney Studios, you need to have a valid park ticket. You can have a single park ticket or a park hopper, so you can get on both theme parks on the same day. Disney Village is free of charge and for everyone acceptable. So, summary: two parks, one Disney Village. Did we get it? Can we move on? Awesome. Now get to the hotels. You need a place to sleep. The Disney hotels. There are 6 hotels you can choose from, all in different ranges. You have a 2-star hotel, Santa Fe. Prices range from 330 euros until 800 euros per night, including tickets. Then you have a 3-star hotel, which are Cheyenne and Sequoia. Prices go from 340 until 1,000 euros, including park tickets. I know it's expensive. It is Disney budgeting, okay? You have the 4-star hotels, which are Newport Bay, Art of Marvel, and behind me the Disney Hotel. Prices range from 400 euros until up into far into the thousands, including park tickets. And then there are 2 special cases. You have the Davy Crockett Ranch, which is a kind of Disney-owned bungalow park, and you have Center Parcs Village Nature, which is like this cooperation between Center Parcs and Disneyland Paris. The arrangement comes with a couple of pros. So what comes into an arrangement? An arrangement of a Disney hotel includes, obviously, an overnight stay at the hotel of your choice. A Disney themed hotel, which is where your dreams come alive. Second, you have a free parking spot where you can park your car. You can do that by the hotel or at the parking lot. And also you can cancel your stay within 7 days before you are about to arrive. If you want to do that, you should fill in a form and the Disneyland Paris website, and then you can cancel your stay. So you're not going to Disneyland Paris just to enjoy Disney Village or to stay at your hotel or day. You want to get into the parks. And in order to get into the parks, you need to have a valid park tickets. So there are a couple of park tickets that you can purchase in order to get into the parks. So there are 3 kinds of park tickets. The first one is a dated park ticket. You can have a dated park ticket from 1 until 4 days. This is the cheapest option. It will come with a discount. How many days you have, how more the days you have, how cheaper it will get per day. This is amazing if you're booking a holiday, a Disney trip with your family and you already know when you want to go. The second one is an undated ticket. So the undated ticket is perfect for example, when you want to give a gift to someone. Like, I want to gift to you a Disneyland Paris day there. But you don't know which day to choose. When you buy a Disneyland Park undated ticket, it is valid for 1 year apps of purchase. The third one is kind of special. It's a one-day ticket with a bus trip. So this bus trip leaves from Paris to the Disneyland parks and then gets you back until Paris. It is amazing for an excursion or arrangement that when you are in Paris on holiday, for example, you're on holiday for a couple of days in Paris, but you want to go to Disney for a day, you can book that. But it's a perfect way to spend one day in Disneyland Paris when you're already in the neighborhood. So now that you have purchased your ticket, it is time to get your ticket activated. So there are a couple of ways to do that, to hold your ticket onto you. If you have booked a Disneyland Paris hotel, you will receive a magic pass. This is a little card you keep on you for the entrance. You can also book your Disneyland Paris hotel vacation into the Disneyland Paris app. So you always have a code which you can scan at the entrance, so you don't have the hustle of a magic pass. Any other way is if you buy a data ticket online, you will have to print that ticket out and you have to scan the QR code when you try to enter the parks. So now you have booked your vacation, and now how do you get there? There are a lot of ways to get to Disneyland Paris. The thing about Disneyland Paris Resort is that everything is within walking distance. The Disneyland hotels, the Disney parks and Disney Village. With the exception of Davy Crockett Ranch and Village Tuileries and a couple of partner hotels. So if you are getting here from home, you can come by car. There is a freeway really close to Disney, and the signs to get here and the route is actually pretty easy. They make it as easy as possible for you to get here. There's also public transportation. If you are coming from Paris, as I said with the tickets, you can have an arrangement with the bus, but you can also take the train. The closest train station is here at Marne-la-Vallée train station, and it's at walking distance. When you get on the train station, you can see already the security and the Disney Village surrounding you. It's that close. If you are more from afar and you need to get to a plane, that's also possible. There are Magical Expresses. Those are special buses that Disneyland has arranged for, and you have to pay a little fee, but it will take you from the airport to Disneyland Paris. This is for Charles de Gaulle and Orly Airport nearby in France. So now you are at the Disney parks. How do you transport between them? Well, if you are here by car, you can put your car on the huge parking lot. If for a regular car, it's 30 euros a day. If you are coming with a caravan or something bigger, 40 euros a day. And between the hotels, every Disney hotel has a shuttle bus. So Santa Fe, Marvel Hotel, even though it's in walking distance, you can get the shuttle bus that takes you from the hotel to the bus station. The only exception are Davy Crockett Ranch and Village Nature Paris. And like I said, everything is between walking distance. Once you're at Disneyland Resort property, you can walk everywhere. Have you ever been to Disneyland Paris if you hadn't done a ride? The attractions are one of the things that make Disneyland, as well as the shows, of course, but the attractions. That is what makes an attraction park or a theme park that's what it is. So in Disneyland Paris there is no difference. They have a wide variety of options of attractions to do. You don't even need to do roller coasters. So I'm gonna talk to you about all the kinds of categories of attractions that you can expect here. So the first of all is the thrill rides, the roller coasters, the dopamine shots where you can get your kick. It is Big Thunder Mountain, it is Space Mountain, it is Crush Coaster. You can check out the Disneyland Paris app or the website for a complete overview. You also have the dark rides. Think of Phantom Manor here behind me, Peter Pan's Flight, Ratatouille. There are so much. So what is a dark ride? You go sit in a cart and the cart will take you through the story and the theme of that attraction. You also have mostly, like, I don't know how to call it category, but I think they're a little bit of child's attractions. Think of Dumbo the flying elephant. There are like these outdoor attractions. Think of the carousel. Those are the attractions where you can enjoy your environment in an easy, nice space to go around. You also have the walkthrough attractions. There are a couple of walkthrough attractions. For example, Aladdin's Passage. They usually don't have a waiting line, and you can just go do that and explore what the walkthrough attraction has to offer. Now I want to tell you all about the Disneyland Paris app. The Disneyland Paris app is the base of your Disneyland Paris vacation. You can do a lot of things with it. But first of all, the practical information. You can download it for free into the Google Play Store or your Apple Store. You don't have to make an account, but it will make a couple of things a lot easier. So what can you do with the Disneyland Paris app? For example, one of the main things that we personally use is the map. On this map, you can see where you are located. If you have your location on, you can navigate yourself through the parks, through your favorite restaurant or your favorite attraction. You can also see how long you will have to waiting for an attraction. So for example, you see that Big Thunder Mountain is only 15 minutes, then you can run straight to Big Thunder Mountain because you have your personal intel. You can also make dinner reservations through the app at an all-you-can-eat or a sit-down restaurant, and place your mobile order to skip the line in a counter service restaurant. And the next thing I want to talk to you about is the Fast Pass, previously known as the Fast Pass, now as the Premier Access, in which you can skip the line. You can purchase your Premier Access 1 or Ultimate also in the app. What that is exactly, I'm gonna explain it to you more exhaustively later on in the video. During the day, you will have to eat, and there are plenty of choices to choose from in Disneyland Paris. So how to navigate yourself through all these choices? You can think of 4 categories of restaurants. You have the sit-down restaurants, you have the all-you-care-to-eat restaurants like the buffet restaurants, counter service restaurant, and you have the snack locations. For the table service restaurant and the all-you-can-eat restaurants, you need to have a reservation. You can make a reservation up to 60 days prior to your visit. The thing is that with the popular restaurants, you will have to make a reservation at day 60 prior to your vacation because they are really soon, quickly, fully booked. For the counter service restaurants and the snack location, you can just get behind in the queue or the line to order your food. And it will get pretty crowded during the day. So take your time to ordering your food and to get your meal done. So if you don't want to wait in line, there are a couple of counter service restaurants that have mobile order. So if you place your mobile order, you don't have to wait in the regular line. We have made a video about it. You can check it out right here. Did you know that you could skip the line in attractions? You don't have to wait an hour for Big Thunder Mountain or Hyperspace Mountain. You can buy yourself a Premier Access. It is previously known as the Fast Pass. The Fast Pass was a free tool to skip the line. There are 2 kinds of Premier Access. The first is the Premier Access 1, which are skip the lines, so to say, for individual attractions. The Premier Access Ultimate is the whole package. You get a skip the line for every attraction in that package. If you want to know more, we also have made a video about it, so go on and check it out. And that's it. Now you have everything you need to know for your Disneyland Paris vacation, and you can start planning. With this information, planning your Disneyland Paris vacation will be a lot less stressful. We really hope you enjoyed this video and this video was very, very helpful to you. And if you want to plan a Disneyland Paris vacation, check out the links that we have shared. We have amazing deals for you, so you'll save money and time for planning and booking your Disneyland Paris vacation. Do you like these kinds of tips and tricks, and do you want to get notified every single time that we upload a new video? Very simple solution, subscribe to our channel. Not only would you help yourself, but you would honestly make our day. Thank you so much for watching. We really hope this video has helped you, and we hope a lot of things for you. We also hope that you have a magical day wherever you are, and to see you in another video. Bye!